I'm not talking about prompting tricks. I'm talking about 4 legitimate techniques that flip a switch inside Claude and turn it from fancy Google search into genius level thinking partner. Think of it like an iceberg. Most people see only the tip, the part above the water. But there is an entire massive structure underneath that they never reach. Today, I am taking you underwater. The problem is that you are using Claude like a Google. It's like having Ferrari and driving it to the corner shop in the first gear. So today I'll be showing these 4 techniques that will tell you the difference between using Claude and walking with the Claude. Technique number 1. I call it the 95% confidence rule. Here is the problem. When you give Claude a prompt, literally any prompt, it will always give you answer. Even if your question is vague. Even if your question is half baked, even if Claude is completely guessing what you want, still it will give you answer. It's like asking someone for a direction without telling them where you are starting from. And the funny part is that they will still give you directions. And those directions might be completely wrong for your situation. So here is the fix. It's literally one sentence at the end of your prompt, literally any prompt. So let me show you. So let's say you added any vague prompt to Claude. Before executing it, just add this sentence, ask me clarifying questions until you are 95% confident, then execute. Now Claude will ask questions before generating result for you. It narrows it down until it's 95% confident. Then it will give you tailored, precise answer, and your answer will be 10x better output than before. Now let me show you directly into Claude, and it works into Claude.ai, Cowork and Claude Code. Alright, I added this prompt. I want to create a YouTube video about AI tools that actually gets views. So now if I'll execute just this prompt, still Claude will give me answer. But I added another sentence into this prompt that ask me clarifying questions until you are 95% confident you can complete this task successfully. Now let me execute. Now let's see. Look at this. It's not generating answer directly. It's asking me question. So what's the core topic or angle for this video? I'll select AI news trend breakdown. What deliverable do you need from me? Full script, slide deck, full production package, let's say. And then next question. What's your goal for this video? I will say establish authority in a niche. So it asks questions. It collected answer from us based on our requirement. Now it will generate better answer than the before. Look at this. Claude is not satisfied yet. It asking me for the question. Now I will select random answer, then execute. Even if it is not satisfied yet, it will ask more questions. Let's check. Look at this. It's asking me another questions. I executed. Perfect. Look at this. Now it's saying I'm 95% plus confidence. Let me research that last 2 weeks of AI news for developments and power users, then build you full production package. That's the difference, guys. There you have it, guys. It generated full production package and it's called the AI Dev Stack Just Shifted. What actually matters this week? And it covered topic like Claude Opus 4.7, MCP, why crossing 97 million installs is a structural milestone, Cursor 3 versus Claude Code versus Codex, and the hidden cost trap in the Opus 4.7, and many other things. It generated full script and it's also generated slide deck which we can use during this video. Isn't it amazing? Within just 5 minutes, our output is now 10x better. So use that sentence after every prompt and you can provide me feedback in the comment section. That is the 95% confidence rule, guys, and it literally works on anything. YouTube scripts, code, business plans, email, productivity hacks, literally any topic. Try it today. Technique number 2. It's called Devil's Advocate mode. This is my personal favorite. Most people use AI as a yes man. They share an idea and Claude says great idea and they walk away feeling validated. But here is the brutal truth. AI glazing you is not helping you. Make Claude fight back and arrive at the better decision faster. If AI will glaze you more, then it's slowing you down. The real question I want to ask you guys, what actually makes you better? What actually helps you improve your decisions, content ideas, business ideas, literally anything? Tell me. It's friction. The challenge. Having someone point at your blind spots before the real world does. So here is what you do. So let me show you real life example. I'm YouTube creator, so I ask simple question to Claude. I am planning to record video about Notebook LM in May 2026. Is it good idea? It says yes, absolutely. And the timing is actually great. Almost every time Claude or any other AI tools always agrees with me. I never feel that smart when I talk with AI. But how you can improve it? Just paste this prompt. Now destroy this. Tear apart every weak assumption, every blind spot, every risk I haven't thought about. Don't go easy on me. I want brutal, honest analysis. Now I'll execute. Now I'll see the result. Now it will be really brutal and honest with us. Should I make video about Notebook LM or not? Look at the result. It says, alright, here is the unfiltered version. Can you see it? And now it's providing the timing is great is lazy advice. Your channel size makes this a losing bet on crowded keyword. Now it's providing brutally honest answers. It doesn't know that I have already YouTube channel, and it's providing honest summary like you are considering a mainstream topic is a saturated niche on a competitor keyword about a third party product you don't control, with no audience validation at the time when dozens of bigger creators have already covered it thoroughly. Can you see the quality of this answer? You need to be honest with you, and that's how you can improve and progress in your life. That's what actually I do. So follow this technique and it will literally help you. So here is a smart way. Use technique 1 to get the best answer in the world, then use technique 2 immediately for that answer to rip it apart. Trust me, your answer will be 10 times better than your original version. Use these first 2 techniques and tell me in the comment section how is your answer. Technique number 3, I call it the deep brain switch. And this is the one I promise you many Claude users in the world have no idea that it exists. You can use this technique only if you have Pro or Max plan into your Claude. If you are using free plan, then you cannot use this feature. It's called extended thinking. So what's the difference between normal mode versus extended thinking? The main difference is that the normal mode gives you instant answer without thinking it twice. And the deep brain mode, it thinks step by step before answering, surfaces hidden assumption and risks. It shows the reasoning chain in real time, and your answer will be 54% better on complex tasks. Now let me show you directly into Claude. Okay, I pasted the prompt like normally we do, and then here I selected the model. In this case, I selected Sonnet 4.6, and here as you can see, adaptive thinking. You just need to toggle it on. Now you need to execute. What I gave basically, I'm solo AI content creator in Germany with 5,000 YouTube subscribers. My videos get good engagement but almost no sponsorship deals. Analyze the 3 most likely root causes of this and give me ranked action plan. As we selected this deep thinking mode, it will take some time, and it provided detailed reason with all root causes. Root cause 1, YouTube's invisible to sponsors, not unattractive to them. Root cause 2, you have no conversation narrative to sell. Root cause 3, the German B2B sponsor market requires a different access strategy. It's provided us ranked action plan as well with the priority 1, 2, 3. Let's say if you haven't activated this, you will get very normal quality answer. That is not a surface answer. It's strategic consulting level thinking. Use extended thinking for multi-step problems, complex decisions, business strategy, technical architecture, anywhere where you think the first answer is not the right answer. Technique number 4. I call it the skill memory vault. If the first 3 techniques blew your mind, this one saves your time. Here is the problem that every Claude Power users eventually hits. Let's say you have amazing prompts. You have this 95% confidence rule opener. You have devil's advocate follow-up. You activated extended thinking. But every time when you start a new conversation, either you need to remember from your memory or you need to copy from your doc. But we are human, right? We might forget this. So if you forget this, you will move back to generic prompting. So what's the solution? The skill memory vault solves this. Inside Claude, specifically Claude's co-work mode, available in the desktop app, you can turn any conversation into a reusable skill. Something Claude remembers and can trigger automatically without you typing to retype anything. Let me show you how. Alright, I open Claude desktop app and I toggle to Claude co-work. And in Claude co-work, I created the sample conversation by using technique 1 and technique 2. Now I will paste this prompt. Create a reusable skill based on this conversation. Call it a genius mode stick. It should always start by asking clarifying questions until 95% confident. Ask the first answer, automatically offer a devil's advocate analysis, and suggest using extended thinking for complex multi-step request. Save this as an installable skill I can trigger in any future conversation. Now it will create reusable skill for us, which we can use in any future conversations. Alright. Everything is ready, skill is fully functional, all documentation is complete. Let's check it directly into Claude co-work by opening new chat. And now I pasted this prompt. I need help writing a video script about AI agents for my YouTube channel, and I will execute. Let's check. if it will ask questions here by using our 95% confidence rulebook or not. Like we expected, it's saying I would like to clarify a few things to make sure I write a script that fits your need. And now we are selecting. It's ask question, we provided answers, and now it will work for us. If it will not still satisfied, it can ask further questions as well. So as you can see, this skill is working properly. As you can see, you just need to set the skills once and you can use it in all future conversation, so you don't need to remember from your memory. Try it today. Alright, let's wrap this up. 4 techniques, 4 genius upgrades. Technique 1, the 95% confidence rule. One sentence that turns vague prompts into laser precise answers every single time. Technique number 2, devil's advocate mode. Let Claude destroy your ideas so the real world doesn't have to. Technique 3, the deep brain switch. Technique 4, the skill memory vault. Build your workflows once, Claude remembers and uses them forever. If you master these 4 techniques, you will be ahead of 99% of people using Claude AI right now. And if you enjoyed this content, if you learned something new today, if you like my content, then just press the like button, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment. Use these techniques and provide me feedback in the comment section. What do you think about this? Use it daily. I use it almost daily, so it makes my Claude answers 10 times better. I will see you in the next one, guys.